Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to use SUMIFS function in Excel. Why would you want to know how to use SUMIFS function in Excel? Well, maybe you are new to Excel or you just have a duplicated name you want to count its amount or its value. So today I am going to show you how to use SUMIFS function in Excel. Okay, first there's months, items, and the amounts. Okay, here is the duplicated name. Okay, it's Jane. We want to count its amount. Let's press equal, then sum f's tab. Okay, sum range, its amount, and comma, criteria range, the duplicate name containing, then comma, then the criteria, the name that we want to count, it's duplicated, and close it, and press enter. There you go. It's counted all the duplicated value. There you go. If you want to know how to use SUMIFS function in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.